Okay, this video will help you find your Achieve assignments. So, you are going to go into My Portal. You're going to sign into Clever. You should have a classroom that I've set up for you. Okay, and in it, of course, bam, Achieve. You are going to make sure that you are in the class that you belong in. Right? Once you are in there, okay, you are going to go to your Achieve mailbox. It's the little envelope towards the right. Click on it. All right, and it will have a whole bunch of emails for you. So what you are going to be looking at is the title of the article that I have assigned. So, is this spying? That is the article that you are doing this week. It goes into technology and privacy, which I don't think, for the most part, we realize how much we give up. So, when we use social media or we use Google or what have you, what are we actually giving up? So this is your article that you're going to be doing today. It's called Is This Spying? And then when you click on it, hopefully it will open the article. When you go to the article, okay, it's right here. Woohoo! All right, so you are going to, it will pull up the before reading poll. You don't need to do this. We have talked about this extensively in class. Okay? And this idea that parents, right, can use technology to monitor their children's online and smartphone activities. Okay? Very different perspectives on who you ask. Okay, if you ask a parent, they're going to say, it's my way of keeping my kids safe. And then if you ask probably a teenager, they're going to say, I have no privacy. So, we have talked about that. Then you're going to go into the article. Depending on your Lexile level, okay, your article will match your level. So if you are sitting there and you're bored, so you look at your neighbor, which you shouldn't be that close anyway, and you're like, what the heck? They got like 3 paragraphs and I have like 10. Okay, just know that what you're reading is based on your level. So you're going to read your article. There are ways for you to annotate throughout your article. Okay, so if you want to highlight things, or even you should have this take notes box. Okay, anything that helps you get through it and understand it. That is very important to me, guys. I don't want you to sit here and read this article because I said so. All right. Go back to that why at the beginning of the year. Why would you read this article? Well, maybe it will give you some insight. Maybe it will help you grow just a little bit. Okay? So don't just read it because you have to. You won't get anything out of it. All right, you go to your activity. Again, you may have a different number of questions than somebody else. Okay? So you're going to do your activity. Here's the issue about your activity. Your activity goes in as a grade. And it's the first time you do the activity, not how you corrected your answers the second time. So, you need a 75% in order for your Lexile numbers to go up. If you get low on a 75% on your activity, then it makes me think that what they're asking you to read or the questions, they're not matching up with what you can do. Okay, so we are looking to grow, guys. We're looking to get smarter. Okay, so in order to do that, you want to score higher than 75%. Don't worry about these things. We'll use these every once in a while. But also, as you're reading your article, did your opinion change? Okay, was there anything in here that you were like, well, I didn't know that? Okay. So, now, if for some reason you go to your mailbox and you can't find the article, you can always type in the title into your search box. And bam, it's right there. Okay, so you are going to go in, you're going to complete this article and this activity. You're aiming for 75% or higher. And then you will do the last thing for today.